Hi students, today we are going to discuss about
Ancient cities of Tamilagam, which is in the 6th standard social science, term 1, lesson learning objectives. Today we are going to learn about the greatness of the towns of ancient Tamilagam. To know about Bumbuhar, Madurai and Kanji. To understand the ancient kings of Tamilagam. To gain knowledge about the crafts, markets, manufactures, maritime trade, education and water management in ancient Tamilagam. Okay, let us move to the topics. The greatness of the towns of ancient Tamilagam, Bumbuhar and Madurai. Madurai has been one of the oldest cities in India. So, Madurai is also called a Tunga Nagaram. Madurai had Nalangadi and Alangadi. It means Nalangadi means day market, Alangadi means evening market. So, Madurai is known as Tunga Nagaram, the city that never sleeps. Madurai was a safe place where women purchased things from Alangadi without any fear. Madurai is proudly associated with Tamil Sangam, which worked for the promotion of Tamil language. 49 poets were associated with the Lost Sangam. A hill fragrant wood was brought from Port Tondi to Madurai. King Solomon of ancient Israel imported pearls from Uvari near the Pandian port Korkai. A mint of Roman coins was present at Madurai. The coins of their other countries were also minted at Madurai, which is a proof for the glory of Madurai. The fame of Madurai is attested by the accounts of the Greek historian Megasthenes. Chanakya, Chandragupta's minister, makes a mention of Madurai in his book Arthasastra. In the moat around the town, tunnels had been constructed in such a way that even elephants could comfortably enter. Okay, now the next topic is Kanji. Kanji, a place of learning, is called school. Several schools were established in great numbers for the first time in Kanjipuram. Jains studied in Jainapalli and Buddhists studied in Viharas. The greatness of Kanji as an educational center can be understood from the fact that the Chinese traveler Xuanzang, who studied at Nalanda University, Kanji, that means Kadigai, to pursue his further studies. Poet Kalidasa says Kanji is the best of the towns. Tamil poet Saint Thirunavukarasar praises Kanji as கல்வியில் கரையில்லாத காஞ்சி. Huan Suang remarked that Kanji can be counted as one among the 7 sacred places like Bodh Gaya and Sanji. Bodh Gaya and Sanji. Kanji is the oldest town in Thondai Nadu. Scholars like Dharmapalar, Jodhipalar, Sumadi and Bodhidharmar were born in Kanji. Kanji is also known as the Temple City. The famous temple of great architectural beauty, Kailasanathar Temple, was built by later Pallava King Rajasimha at Kanji. During the Pallava period, a large number of cave temples were built. The Buddhist monk Manimegalai spent the last part of her life at Kanji. Speaks highly of the town. Water management played an important role in the agrarian society of those times. Hundreds of lakes were created for storing water around the town of Kanji. These lakes were well connected with canals. During the later period, Kanji came to be known as the district of lakes. Water management skills of the ancient Tamils can be understood from the construction of Kallanai in the Chola country and the lakes and canals in Kanji. Apart from Bumbuhar, Madurai and Kanji, there were other towns too in ancient Tamilagam. Korkai, Vanji, Tondi, Urayur, Musiri, Karuvur, Mamallapuram, Tanjai, Dahadur and Kayal are some of them. By conducting archaeological research, more information can be gathered about these places. Thank you, students. With this, we shall complete this lesson now. Bumbuhar was a port, Madurai was a trading town, Kanji was an educational center. Thank you.